Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is April 27, 2024, and this is my weekly market review. I'm reviewing the Dow 30, that's DIA, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over here to these charts and see what we see. And let me maximize this quarterly chart. And on this quarterly chart, we can see that we went up to a yearly R1 and pulled back and now we're trying to trace back to the upside really easy. You can almost say that this might be, got to kind of see this as a little bearish pattern. But again, we're already getting a tail here, so it's not going to be until the next quarter, or we have to kind of like give this a little bit more time. This is just the first month of the quarter to see first month of the quarter to see what's really going to happen here. Right now we still look good. We still look pretty bullish. It was just a little pullback. Don't get too afraid yet. And again, here on this monthly chart, let's zoom in here on this monthly chart. And what I see on this monthly chart, we were above pivot. One of my rules I like being above pivot and staying above pivot, and we have dropped down below pivot. We did actually go below a support 1 level and actually pull back up. In the next few days, will we pull back up above pivot by the end of the month? In those few days that's left of the month, it's kind of like a wait and see, you know, if that's going to actually happen or not. We are above the 10 moving average, so we are technically still in a bull market, or still bullish. The market is still somewhat bullish. We just had a little bearish and a little volatility come in the market on the pullback at the beginning of the quarter here. So that's okay. We just kind of like pay attention to what we see. Just pay attention to your plans, play attention to your strategy, and play towards you, and play according to your rules. All right, but let's go down here to the weekly chart. Let's see what we see here. The Dow is the only one that looks really kind of funny here on this weekly chart. The other ones had a nice, clear, bullish pattern down here, nice bullish harami. The Dow has like a doji down here. You know, it's a harami, but a harami with a doji. You know, this looks really kind of funny down here. And the Dow, I think it dropped more than all the other ones. The Dow came down to a support 2 level and ended up closing above the support 2 level here on these monthly pivots and all. So that's a funny look for me right now. I kind of expected to stay above that since it did pull back as much as it did, and we are getting this bullish looking pattern here at this time for the rest of the month. But what I'm also seeing that come next month, May, we might end up opening below pivot, and that can actually give this thing some fight to actually maybe go down even more. That's the only scary thing. This is the only index that looks like that or be having that type of problem. So again, I'll be paying a lot of attention to the Dow. The Dow is the smallest one of the indexes that are out there. But again, it follows along with the rest of them. They'll usually it's tightly correlated with the other ones. But let's go ahead and look at the daily noise and wrap this on up. The daily noise looked pretty good. And the market was going, expiration week, it was going pretty sideways, came up a little bit. And we gapped up on Monday. I was just like on all the other indexes, I was thinking that we were actually reversing. But the Dow after Tuesday, it couldn't break this high. That's again, it gets back here on this daily picture. We can also see that the Dow was actually having a hard time, really hard time compared to the other ones actually going higher. Although we did end up staying above pivot, and come next week we should be opening above pivot. And also this on this smaller time frame here, look like we can go up. But a key here is going to be breaking this high right here. So I'm going to actually go ahead and put an alert in right here, right now, to see if this Dow can actually break that high. And that's all I really want to share. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. I hope you guys had a great week. I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. And thanks, new subscribers and all. And let's see if we can get this thing up to 500 subscribers on this channel. All right, that's it. Have a great one. Talk to you later. Bye.